Hey Collage crew, welcome back to Pro Tips on PicCollage. Last time, we showed you different ways to make your collages pop with different text edits. Today, we'll be showing you how to edit your photos with filters and overlays, and how you can combine them for an even cooler effect. Let's get started. Once you're in the PicCollage app, tap on the edit photo icon in the top right corner here. Just tap on the photo you want, and you can start editing right away. You can go to the Adjust tab to make basic adjustments to your photo, such as brightness, saturation, and vibrant. Head to the Filters and Overlays tab at the bottom. And you'll start by seeing filters first. As you can see, there's lots of categories and options. Just choose the one that matches the vibe you want. Let's go with a more vintage film-like aesthetic with this one. I think Film 7 will be perfect. You can also adjust the filter's intensity by tapping again on the filter you selected and adjust the slider to your liking. That's it! You can also take a look at the before and after by holding and releasing this button here. Now to save your final edit, just tap the big check mark and hit save. If you want to add things like texture or fun details to your photos, overlays is the way to go. You'll find it in the same Filters and Overlays section. But just toggle to the right tab to see the overlay options. There is a good mix of everyday, seasonal, and special overlays. You'll definitely see something you like. You can try out different overlays by simply tapping on them before you find the one you want to go with. For this photo though, let's add a dreamy, glowy vibe to it with the overlay Lens Flare vibe. You can find that under the Lens Flare category. And just like with the filters, you can also adjust how heavy or light you want the overlay to appear with a slider. And that's it! Like before, check out the before and after. Tap the check mark and save. Finally, if you want to really take your photo editing to the next level, you can combine filters and overlays in the same photo. It's really easy. In Filters and Overlays, start by choosing a filter and adjust it to your liking. Then, toggle to the Overlays tab. Choose an overlay and adjust it if you'd like. That's literally all you need to do. Let's take a quick look at the before and after. Isn't it great? Just tap the big check mark and save before you go. If you like this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more photo editing tips. Thanks, PicCollage crew!